So I guess you have a smoke detector and a carbon monoxide detector. Well, why not have both in one? Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the SITERWELL carbon monoxide and smoke detector combo. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at the SITERWELL combo smoke carbon monoxide detector. Look at the packaging right here. 10-year lithium battery, voice alerts, interconnected, so it will sync up with other devices such as other smoke detectors, and less cooking nuances. That's right, this has some pretty cool systems in it. This is the back of the packaging right here. Everything looks great. Some information and warning labels. Nice. Well, let's open it up. So one of the first things you see is part of the warning information right here. Gives you a little sticker for it. Got two of them. It's part of your setup instructions. Pretty important to have. Very, very nice. Looks like we've got a little bit of a user manual here as well. So the instruction manual, got table of contents and everything right here. Kind of goes through all the steps. One of the things I really like about this is the fact that it does not have to be hardwired into the electricity, so it is wireless. Plenty of information. So this is something you definitely will need, so keep it on hand. Part of our mounting screws, of course, are included. Very nice. So it looks like we will have two screws right here. And finally, the product itself. This thing looks sleek. Huge fan. Wow. And this is everything you need to see on the back of this smoke carbon monoxide detector right here. It's got a replace by date, some warning information, the activation button here, low battery sounds. This thing is set up. It's nice. It's clean. It's sleek. Huge fan of that. Got little speakers here as well. Very nice. Very, very clean. Huge fan of that. Some of these just look ugly. This does not look ugly. We're excited to turn it on, test it out, and hey, let's get into it. This is the SITERWELL smoke and carbon monoxide detector. Comes with a 10-year battery and wireless interconnection. Accuracy in alarming, the smoke and carbon monoxide detector utilizes dual light wave technology. It is more sensitive to detecting slow smoldering fires which produce light smoke. It can also distinguish non-fire smoke, reducing false alarm and keeping your cooking fun and uninterrupted. 10-year battery. The carbon monoxide detector comes with a built-in 10-year lithium battery and features energy-efficient technology, providing alerts when the battery is running low, and when the alarm sends a fault signal, you must replace the product immediately. This wireless interconnected detector can link up to 18 devices to receive immediate alerts when any alarm is triggered, ensuring that your home is always fully protected. Dual language voice alerts. This detector allows you to choose between English and French for alarm notifications, ensuring all family members can quickly understand and respond. Do not disturb mode. This smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector alarm detects low voltage or a fault. Pressing the test button activates a do not disturb mode for approximately 10 hours, preventing frequent alarms and flashing at night, ensuring your sleep is not disturbed. Carefully chosen lighting. The optimal light source minimizes direct light exposure at night, keeping you undisturbed while still providing a strong red alert in case of danger. Plus, simple installation. Included is the wall plate, which fits most smoke detectors on the market. Simply rotate the alarm to mount onto the plate and you're ready to go. The precision engineered mesh and metal filter effectively blocks insects larger than 2 millimeters. SITERWELL, this is a fantastic product.
Great job.
This thing is awesome. The fact that it doesn't go off all the time just because you're cooking something. Great job, SITERWELL. We want to give a huge shout out to SITERWELL for sponsoring this video. You can find all the links down below in the description. I've been today's host, Matthew. You've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.